Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we are introduce the new topic inverse trigonometric function and that is chapter 2. इससे पहले कुछ बेसिक्स इस चैप्टर्स के कर लेते हैं। 11th क्लास से स्टडी करते हैं। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द टर्म फंक्शन। हमने पढ़ा था ए रिलेशन फ्रॉम सेट ए टू सेट बी is called function। कंडीशन क्या है? इफ each element of A are also the element of, if each element of A have unique image in B, that is suppose करो we have two sets A और B and elements of A are 1 2 3 x y z, these are the elements of B, and F is a mapping from set A to set B such that 1 is related to x, 2 is related to y, 3 is related to z. See it carefully. Each element of A, that is 1 2 3, have unique image in 1. 1 की एक इमेज है x, 2 की डिफरेंट इमेज है y, 3 की डिफरेंट इमेज है z. हर एक एलिमेंट की यूनिक इमेज B सेट के अंदर है. सो दिस मैपिंग, दिस रिलेशन फ्रॉम सेट A टू सेट B इज कॉल्ड फंक्शन. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय f such that A to B, and we read it as f is a function from set A to set B. Now the domain and range. See the example it carefully. Here we have two sets, one is A, another one is B, and f is a function from set A to B such that elements of A are 1 2 3 4 x y z t w. These are the elements of B. 1 is related to x, 2 is related to y, 3 is related to z, and 4 is related to t. It is a function from set A to B. The set A is called domain. Set B, whole set B is called codomain. And these elements x, y, z, t, these are called image of elements of A. These x, y, z, t, these are image of elements of A under function or under the rule f. And the set of these f image x, y, z, t, these f image are called range. The set of f image is called a range. Now if we write f is a function from set A to set B, what do you mean by here? Here this set A, this is domain, and set B is what? Set B is codomain. And see the above example carefully. We see that a range is always subset of codomain. A range is always subset of codomain. Now the types of function. Here we study only two types of function. There are so many types of function. One is 1 1 and another one is on to. 1 1 function. 1 1 function means, जैसा कि नाम से ही अंडरस्टूड हो रहा है, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय 1 1 फंक्शन. ए फंक्शन इज सेड टू बी 1 1 if each or different element, if different element of A have different image in B. A function is said to be 1 1 if different element of A have different image in B. See this example. Here 1, 2, 3. These are the different element of A. And the image is also different. 1 की इमेज X है, 2 की इमेज Y है, 3 की इमेज Z है. डिफरेंट एलिमेंट की डिफरेंट इमेज हमारे पास है. सो दिस फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड 1-1 फंक्शन. This is called 1-1 function. And another one is onto. A function, अगर f is a function from set A to B, then f is called onto if each element of B have at least one pre-image in A. यहाँ पर हमारे पास दो एग्जाम्पल है, एक ये और एक ये. इन दोनों एग्जाम्पल को देखो. X, Y, Z, these are element of B and these all three elements have at least one image, pre-image in A. And see the second example, X, Y, Z, T and W. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements in set B. But W belongs to B, does not have any pre-image in A. So this function is not one onto function. This is onto function. This is called onto function. This is not the example of onto function, and this function is the example of onto function. And now another one is bijective function. This is important. A bijective function is what? A function which is both 1-1 plus onto. A function which is both 1-1 and onto is called bijective फंक्शन. बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? क्योंकि बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन का ही इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट करता है. जिस फंक्शन का कोई फंक्शन जो 1-1 भी है और ऑनटू भी है, उसी फंक्शन का हम इनवर्स इवेल्युएट कर सकते हैं. और हमारा टॉपिक भी क्या है? इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. एक बार हम इनवर्स फंक्शन के कंसेप्ट को क्लियर करते हैं, इनवर्स ऑफ ए फंक्शन को, उसके बाद इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन के बारे में.